Hello folks, and in this short video I would like to hear your view or your opinion on something that happened during the revival at the Nivelles racetrack where I took my MGB-GT this weekend, and we had a bit of a close encounter with another car. I had to catch up with some real big muscle cars. Here we see me driving on the track, well, if you can call it the track, it's more street than anything else. And here you see the Porsches and the other cars, and they are fast. In general, in the curves it's okay, but on the straights it's hard to keep up. And now watch this Ford GT, what he's gonna do. Watch it. There you go, he just bumps me on the side, and he sees me going slowly, going to the right, so it's not that I'm doing some pretty strange movements, but I had to move to the right because of the hay bales that were further down, and still he bumps me. The damage was minimal, just some scratches on the side, but I would still like to hear from you who, in your opinion, was the one that made the mistake. Thank you for viewing, and I might see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.